Abdul. All eyes on you. Yeah.
எல்லா புகழும் இறைவன் ஒருவனுக்கே. I thank the Almighty for giving me this wonderful position, like All India rank 15 in Sniper JEE. Myself, Abdul Rahman. I am a BPharm graduate from Madras Medical College. I have also qualified GPAT 2023 and I have also applied for GPAT 2024. And this year I have also additionally given Manipal entrance test and I have got a score of about 537 out of 800. And yes, sir, that's all about my exam journey.
Yeah, that's great. Yeah, that's great. So, what was your first reaction when you saw the result?
Yes, sir. Actually, like my expectation from Sniper JE was that I
Hmm.
should be in a I should get a rank which puts me in a position to choose the course which I want. I should not be in a compulsion to choose a particular course because of the rank. So I was
Absolutely.
very clear in that. I did not have any bigger expectations. Like uh, I targeted, I had under 100, like everybody. And yeah, by God's grace, I have got all India rank 15, and I feel that I have got what I needed. Like I'm just now I can decide what I want by
Okay.
doing the research, what course I need, and which campus I want. So yes, sir. And when my parents are concerned, they were really happy because they were
Hmm.
with me throughout the journey, and my sister, my mother, my father were really happy on getting the rank.
That's great. Yeah, that's great. Uh, like how Farmer Minds contributed, if you were able to.
Yes, yes, sir, sure. Actually, I would say wherever I go, Pharma Minds is the home ground for my GPAT preparation because I started my GPAT preparation with Pharma Minds. I joined Pharma Minds for the third year GPAT preparation to just get to know what is GPAT and
Hmm.
how things work in GPAT. So that was my strategy. Like I just wanted to ensure that what happens in GPAT and what kind of questions are being asked and like how we can react to that. So at that point of time, Pharma Minds really helped me a lot. And the major challenge which I had, as you know already, like I don't know Hindi. Being from Tamil Nadu, I just know only Tamil and English.
Hmm. Yeah.
And that was biggest challenge which I faced. Rather than the subject which I studied, the biggest challenge which I faced was Hindi as a language. Because in whichever video I go in YouTube or because the major chunk of the pharma fraternity
Yeah.
are discussing things in Hindi because the major audience comes from the north side of India. And
Hmm.
I do understood that in my third year preparation. And
Okay.
Pharma Minds were never short of helping me with that shortcoming because they did not like, especially you, Dipanshu sir, and Sakshi ma'am. I want to give a special mention to her.
Hmm.
You, Akash sir, Dipanshu sir, Sakshi ma'am, and all. They were like helping me with irrespective of the language barrier which I
Hmm.
have got, and the notes which Pharma Minds have provided, and the way you have organized the classes, and kind of scheduling which goes for the lectures and test series. So maybe I have not got the complete essence of all the classes which you have taken because since there was a language barrier.
Hmm.
But I used to get some of the insights. But the notes were really helpful. The test series were really to the point, and it helped me a lot to understand where I stand, understand like what is the position I'm now, and to work further to improve.
Okay. Two things. First of all, your English is much better than me. Second, your Hindi, you should learn Hindi. Yeah,
Yes, sir,
it will help
definitely.
you. Yeah,
Yes, sir.
yeah. So that's okay. Uh, okay, we had talked about a lot of things. Challenges, had we talked about that? So, any challenges that you
Yes.
faced? I think Hindi is the one thing.
Uh, yes, sir. Hindi is one thing, and the next I would like to. Just a minute.
Sure.
Am I audible, sir?
Yeah, perfectly.
Yeah. The next thing I would like to say is that identify what works for you, because
Hmm.
different things will work for different persons. But as far my preparation flow is concerned, I'm not a so like strict person to have like okay, this is the 6 to 8 is study hours, 8 to 8:30 is a break time, and 9 to 12 is another study hour, and go for two or three test series in a day. But I'm not a person of that kind. But what had worked me, I just figured it out. I just used to study when I feel to.
Hmm.
But we should not take it for granted, and it should not be like that. So So what I'm coming to say here is that identify what works for you and ensure that you are following it irrespective of what others are doing. Like the different toppers make say different strategies. Like I work for this, I work for that, but it has worked for them. But
Hmm.
what works for you, you know better, and you should be able to identify it through your experiences. And for that step, I guess the third year GPAT journey has helped me a lot
Yeah.
because that is the phase I have understood that how we have to attempt the paper. Because my in my major exams in GPAT 2023, I attempted very less number of questions
Hmm.
with greater accuracy, but the mark was around 210, 230, which did not give me the rank which I expected.
Hmm.
So in my next gen, the fourth year journey, I ensured that I should attempt more number of questions
Hmm.
and try to improve accuracy a little bit more so that I got a rank better. I might get a rank better in GPAT, and hopefully I've got a good rank in my.
Surely you'll get a great rank in GPAT also. So
Definitely.
yeah, I have to tell you guys about Abdul that he qualified GPAT in the first attempt also, and he got around 1000 rank. And from there he just worked upon like their area of improvements. So he worked on that. So it's very important to give GPAT in third year so that you have basic idea what kind of question are asked, or you handle the pressure so that when next time you go into the examination center, you're like you are resistant to that stress and pressure, and you're already amenable with that environment. So it's very important for all the people who are watching this video. आप थर्ड ईयर में जी पैड दो, आपको एक्सपीरियंस मिलेगा ताकि आप फोर्थ ईयर में जब जाओ तो कॉन्कर यू कॉन्कर जी पैड एक्चुअली. Okay, thanks a lot, Abdul. I think you did a great job, and I wish you all the best for the GPAT result and the future journey. I know you'll do great there also.
Thank you so much.